It's time for math. Get out your packets. We're on lesson 7. Today we're going to start with a story problem. Story problems always get us thinking, right? So in today's story problem, it says there was a vase with 8 flowers in it. So I'm going to draw my vase. Here's my vase. Okay, so you can draw a vase. If you'd like to draw it with me, that's awesome. You can just, if there's an extra piece of paper in the back of yours, you can do it, or you can just watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I drew my 8 stems. Can you see them? Sorry, it's kind of dark in here. Now, here's what it says. Let me get to it really quick here. Here's what it says. Jenny has 8 flowers in a vase. The flowers come in 2 different colors. Draw a picture to show what the vase of flowers might look like. Write a number sentence to match our bond. So we get to decide. Some of them are one color and some of them are a different color. So I'm going to make some of them one color. And I'm going to make some of them a different color. Let me see. I'm just going to have to use black, it looks like, because all my colored pens are missing. That's okay. We can have black and red. Okay. So here's my vase. Here's my flowers. I'm doing 2 different colors. Now we're going to do a number bond first. So when we do a number bond, we make the big number in the first big box, right? So our big number was, did you remember? 8. Yep, 8 flowers. Now, how many should I put in one of the small boxes? 3? Yeah, because there's 3 red ones. How many are not red? Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 are black and 3 are red. So our number bond looks like that. Now we're going to do a number sentence. So the number sentence should say 3 plus 5 equals 8. Or you can start with 8 equals 5 plus 3. There's lots of different ways we can write that. And it doesn't matter what comes first. Even if the answer comes first, it's okay. So there is our whole equation. Cool, huh? All right, boys and girls, I want you to get out your sprint. Let's take a look at it. Let me share my screen again. Unfortunately, we don't have a lot of electricity because I'm doing this the day before, and this is the day that the power is out. Hopefully the power is back on tomorrow when you are doing this. Let's see, my sprint is missing. Where is my sprint? Here it is. Okay, so we're going to do as many as you can. Now, this is what we practiced yesterday. So we're trying to find all the different add-ins or parts of numbers that equal 8. Let's try it. Ready? First, we have 8 and 0. Because if you already have 8, you don't have any more, right? So 8 and 0. What about 7? We learned about 7, 8. Oh, when we just right next to the number that we're counting, it's only one difference, right? 7, 8. So our answer is 1. I'm going to do 2 more with you, and then I'm going to let you work on your own. 6. Count on till you get to 8. Ready? 6, 7, 8. Yes, 2. 7. Oh, the next number is 8, so my answer was 1. 1 more. 6, 7, 8. Answer was 2. Oh, let's do this one in case you didn't know how to do this one. This one is 5. So we'll do 5 in our brain and count on till we get to 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. I'll give you 90 seconds to get this. Oh, actually, we're just going to do 1 minute because I did part of them for you. So I'm going to give you 1 minute to see how many you can do by yourself. Ready? Pencils up. And begin. About halfway done. Get a few more done. Keep going. Three, two, one. All right, we can stop right there. If you want, you can finish it later, but for now, we're going to move on. Good, let's take a look at these books. We're going to use these books in our problems in our homework today. I just want you to take a look at them. You have them on your paper, but they're not the same color. So on your paper, you're going to find things that equal 9 because look at, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So let me just do a couple with you and then you'll do more with your homework. Oops, I forgot to turn my face back on. Here we go. Okay, so if we look at those books, we know that there's 9 altogether. How many are on the top row? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we could do our number bond like this with 9 in our big box, 5 and 4. So we could do our number box bond like that, where 9 is our biggest number because that's how many books there are. 5 are on the top shelf, 4 are on the bottom shelf. And then we would do an addition problem like 4 plus 5 equals 9. So there's our equation. See that? Hard to see. Okay, 4 plus 5 equals 9. Then we find a different solution. So we're going to keep having 9 be our big number. And let's do a different one instead of 4 plus 5. Let's see, how many books can we see that have a picture on them? Oh, 2, that's right. So how many can we not see a picture on them? We're going to count up the other ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we also found out that the number bond of 9 is our big number. 2 and 7 together make 9. So we're going to do an equation of 2 plus 7 equals 9. Or we can turn it around and say 7 plus 2 equals 9. Let me stop sharing so you can see better. Okay, so there's my whole equation for that. Now you're going to do some more of these during your homework time. Let's go ahead and turn to our problem set and let's go through those questions. So we should be on our problem set. Oops, nope, we went too far. Go back, go back. There we go, problem set. Okay, circle the part. So circle part of the ones that are there. Count on to show 9 with a picture and the number bond. Write the expression. So I don't have a way to circle these ones, unfortunately, but watch my thing carefully. It says circle 7. How many more does 7 need to make 9? So if I was going to circle 7, I would circle all 5 of these ones up here, plus 2 more, 5, 6, 7. So my circle would go like that. Oh, it doesn't let me do that. And around like that. Okay, so then I can see that I would have 7 in my circle, and here's 7. And I would have 2 that aren't in my circle. These 2 right here aren't part of that. Remember, it just goes around like that. And then we would say that our number bond is 9, 7, and 2. So we can make that a bit bigger. There we go. So our equation would then be 2 plus 7 or 7 plus 2, right? Okay, very good. 2 and 7 equals 9, our big number. Now we're just working with 9 today, just like we worked with only 8 yesterday. So let's go ahead and put 9 as our whole number. And then it says circle 4. Look at these 4 top ones. Those are the ones I would circle. Just those 4 right there. So I'm going to put the number 4 right here. Now I can count up the ones that I didn't circle, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I can put 5 right there. Now our equations are going to be 4 plus 5 and turn it around, 5 plus 4. Great. Okay, circle 3 this time. Let's pretend I'm going to circle these 3 right here. Go ahead and circle them on your paper. Now, we're going to say our big number is still 9. We circled 3 of them. Go ahead and write that. Count up how many aren't going to be part of this 3 right here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 are not part of that. So we know that 3 and 6 are parts that equal 9. And we're going to put 3 plus 6, or we're going to turn it around and say the 6 first. 6 plus 3. Okay. Am I going way too fast? I'm sorry if I am. Hurry and catch up. Pause the video. You know what to do. For some of you, I'm probably just going the right speed, so we'll keep going, but know that it's okay to stop the video. Draw a line to show partners of 9. Oh, I wish I could do this somehow. Let's see, is there a way to do this? Can I draw something? Let's see, they already do this one for me. No, I don't think I can do that. Sign. What's this one? Yeah, I'm not too good at this yet. Okay, what if I drew? I wish there was a way to draw. Move this thing. Okay, well, I'm sure you guys will be able to do it just fine, even if I don't exactly show. To draw it, sign and fill, but I think if I put that there, let me see if this works. No, that's not going to work. Okay, well, you guys are just going to have to do your best. Okay, here we go. Ready? Let's go back to this. Okay, so we have 5, 6, 7, and then add 2 more, 8, 9. That equals 9. So we drew a line from this one, A, over to the 2. Go ahead and draw right on top of that line. And then we're going to move over here. Remember, we're trying to get to 9. So if we count up these dots, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one has 6 dots. Put 6 in your brain and count to 9. 6, 7, 8, 9. Ah, look down here. Do you see 3 dots somewhere? Yes, draw that line right there to there. Boom. There to there. Got it? Okay, now we're going to move over. This one is 1. We learned that 1 plus the number that's right next to it when we're counting equals that number. So for example, if we're counting, we want to get to 9, then we want it to say 8 plus 1 equals 9. I see right here, looks like there's 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 plus 1, go back and forth between these ones, draw the line, 8 plus 1 equals 9. This one has 9 in it already. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So if it has 9 in it already, does it need any more to get to 9? 0. We're going to draw that line right here. 9 plus 0 equals 9. And the last one's probably the trickiest one. This one is a 4, but there's only one left, right? So it has to be this one. Let's count, make sure. 4 in our brain. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, 5 and the 4 in our brain makes 9. Draw that line. Okay, now we're going to write number bonds for each of the partners of 9. Use the ones above that we just drew to help you. So we found out that 2 plus 7 equals 9. We're going to do 9 here. Think of another one. How about this time if we start with 1? 1 plus, look up here, 1 plus 7, good. 8, 1 plus 8 equals 9. Ooh, I almost made a mistake. And then we have 9 is still our big number. Let's do 3. We haven't done 3 yet. So 3, look up here, 3, it goes over to here. 3 plus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good work. 3 plus 6 equals 9. Which one have we not done yet? Is that tricky one, right? Or it could be 9 plus 0. I like to do this one though. To remember that 5 plus 4 is 2 numbers that go together to equal 9. Yep, 2 parts of the number are 4 and 5, and the whole number is 9. Nice work, boys and girls. This time they want us to do the same thing, but we're going to write a sentence number, and the only one left is 9, 9, and 0. So let's write all the sentences for it. 9 plus 0 equals 9. Turn it around. 0 plus 9 equals 9. All right. So I was kind of hurrying. I'm afraid my computer is going to die, so I was trying to hurry. Sorry about that. But let's go ahead. You're going to do your homework. Remember your homework, you're going to use that picture of the books on the bookshelf. Use the bookshelf picture to help you write all the expressions and number bonds to show all the different ways that you can make 9. So it's always going to be 9 in the big box, and it's all the different ways. These are the addition problems, and these are the number bonds that go with making 9. 5 and 4, 3, 3 and 6. 2, sorry, I can't see very well. 2 and 7. All those make 9. Okay, good luck. You're gonna do all that homework, and then when you get done with that, you're gonna write your name on here and get ready to do your extra ticket. Now, we're only gonna circle the pairs of number that make 9. So these is a pair. Count up all of these. If it's 9, circle it. If it's not 9, you can cross it out. So count up all of these. If it's 9, circle it. Okay, and you get a point for each one that you get right. So either circle it or cross it out. Then complete the number bond to show 2 different ways to make 9. So your big number is 9. That's right. And your small numbers, here's one that shows you 4. So what would be 4 plus what equals 9? And this one you get to do by yourself and pick the numbers that go with making 9. Good job. I just got done grading all your papers from last week, and I was so impressed. Oh my goodness, what smart students we have in our class. All right, have fun with your math, and be sure to do it all. Don't forget to do your extra ticket because that's worth a lot of points, okay? All right, bye-bye.